Fine. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, look, 2, 1. Bang. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Oh, the greatest show on earth. Oh, yeah. The greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest show in the multiverse. And look, we have a great show for you today. Bang! All right, guys. Great show today. All right, so let's check it out. So we're going to start. We're going to head on over to Europe, and we're going to head to Estonia. Estonia Bank LHV is going to offer crypto trading via Bitstamp. So I want to read how this goes. Yeah, I want to read how this one goes. And then I promised you I'm going to read. So yesterday we read about the Germans and their crypto laws that are coming that the coalition agreed upon. But now we're going to see what the European Council agreed upon. So this is the whole of Europe now. So we're going to read EU Council proposals for regulatory clarity for crypto. So we're going to read about those. And then the one that Bitstamp gave us last night, Morgan Stanley, we're going to read about Morgan Stanley adding Bitcoin exposure, buying more Bitcoin. And then shout-outs and daily summary as per usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a buy. Let me head on over here and do a little bit of look. Buy. And then we do a little bit of refresh. All righty. Price of Bitcoin, $54,601. When I left yesterday, we were at $54,362. So we have gone up. 200. This is lame. $239. All right, up $239. We're rich. All right. Instant riches. All right, top 10. Whoa. All right, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they are. Usual band of miscreants. Usual band of miscreants and fuckstacks. There's a bunch of ne'er-do-wells. All right, top 10 of the day. Usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, Cardano, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Dogecoin. All right, let's look at the moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. Whoa, Crypto.com coin. Bang, 12% up today. Single digits up, single digits down. 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 Literally. Single digits up. Oh, look at the graph. Bang, 18% up. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down too. Single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's do lost money today. If you see anything here, you're like, go get it. Because it's on sale. Let's check it out. Boy, what we got? Top 10 losers. Gala, the Sandbox, Engine Coin, Anchor, XDC Network, Curve DAO Token, Kadena, Phantom, Zcash, and Helium. Let's see who made money today. Boy. Some gains. All right, top 10 gainers. Basic Attention Token, The Graph, Crypto.com Coin, Audius, Filecoin, Decred, AMP, Elrom, Bora, and LivePeer. All right, let's look at total market cap. All right, total market cap is $2.487 trillion. When I left yesterday, we we're at $2.63 trillion, so we've gone up 0.024 trillion dollars. All right, let's look at 24-hour volume. That's a drastic drop. Well, hey, look, weekend, you know. That's usual. All right, 24-hour volume is $109.5 billion. When I left yesterday, we were at $162.5 billion. We have gone way down, $53 billion. All right. Let's get to the stories. Bang! Major Estonian bank LHV starts offering cryptocurrency trading via Bitstamp. Ah, it's all right. So let's check this out. Let me get a sip and then we'll check it out. You know, Estonia is very super high tech, right? Like in Estonia, you can do anything that you want online. Like you can vote online, you can you can do everything online there. Yeah, they from a long time ago, like they've been making themselves a digital networked country. Yeah, for many, many years. So the fact that they're offering this crypto stuff that everyone else is going to is no big deal for them. I mean, that's their normal stuff. They're a super high-tech nation. All right. So let's check out what this bank's up to. One of the largest banks in Estonia, LHV, is now offering cryptocurrency trading directly from its app through crypto exchange Bitstamp. The bank says it is the first bank in the Baltics to start offering crypto trading. Largest Estonian bank now offering crypto trading. So LHV announced this week that it has become the first bank in Estonia to offer its clients the opportunity to trade in crypto assets. Starting Monday, LHV customers can trade major crypto assets directly on its mobile app. Bang, that's how it's going to be. Oh, you're going to just trade right from your bank. I don't know about through Bitstamp, though. That's pretty interesting. Is Bitstamp even regulated? I'm not sure about that one. I'm not sure if they would allow a bank to use Bitstamp here in America. Well, not unless they were fully regulated. That's for sure. Anyways, though, but that's it, right? The transactions are carried out on the cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp. Clients' crypto assets are held on the BitGo platform, which is part of the Toronto Stock Exchange listed Galaxy Digital Group. Oh, Galaxy Digital, that's Mike Novogratz's thing. Okay. Oh, they're using a lot of parts from all around the world, aren't they? Things are getting custodied over in Toronto. Well, I don't know if the custody is in Toronto, but anyway, whatever though. But look, the bank started experimenting with blockchain technology in 2015. Since then, we've been waiting for the regulatory environment to evolve. Exactly. They've been waiting for what we talk about here on this show over and 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 over. Endlessly. They've been waiting for, say it with me, regulatory clarity. Or, as he says, for the regulatory environment to evolve. Hang on, to give us some clarity. For the market to become organized and for professional market players to emerge. Exactly. That's what we're waiting for, the tsunami, for the pros to arrive, right? The bank noted. So, Mattis Tumsalu, chairman of the management board of LHV Group, commented, by today, crypto assets have become a large field in terms of both market value as well as turnovers based on decentralized financial services, Tumsalu said, elaborated. Oh, sorry. In the terms of decentralized financial services. So, Tumsalu elaborated that we will be the first bank in the Baltics to start offering crypto trading to our clients. As the first step, they will be able to buy and sell crypto assets on the LHV mobile app. Bang! That's how shit's going to be. That's how shit's going to be. You're going to be able to buy and sell from a regulated, insured, mostly platform. The only question will be, will your bank offer the coins you want, right? Kind of like we do now, right? You got to, who's listing what where? All right, so anyways, so right for the mobile app. Martin Metz, LHV's head of investment services in retail banking, said, considering the increasing mature level of development of crypto assets and the rapidly growing popularity as a new asset class, we're ready to add this asset class to the range of products offered by LHV bank client to LHV bank clients. Yes, LHV added. This is clearly a very volatile and high-risk asset class. This ain't for the weak-hearted. But for the risk-conscious client, crypto assets can play an important role in the portfolio. Bang! You daggone right. So initially, customers can now buy and sell 8 selected major cryptocurrencies at market prices, so at spot market prices. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Uniswap, Chainlink. Oh, they get to buy Chainlink. These fuckers are like, oh my gosh. Chainlink, Stellar, Polygon, and Ave. Oh, way. Oh, these guys get, I mean, it's only 8 of them, but that's pretty much all quality right there. I don't know about that Litecoin one, but everything else, that's quality. Oh, man. Ole. See? That's how it's going to be. That's how it's going to be. Fuck. All right. Mets detailed. In the near future, we plan to add new instruments, order types, and other solutions for convenient trading. Oh, that's it. Bang! So Estonia, LHV customers, I tell you right now, if I was an Estonian, I'd be opening an LHV bank account right now. Right now. Today. This minute. I'd get up from this thing. I'd say, hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Go open one and come right back and be like, bye, look at my new bank account. Dang God, that's awesome. Yeah, man, that's how it's going to be, man. No more just crazy stuff. Yeah, no more crazy stuff. Everything's going to be safe and insured. Insured. That's the key. Look at these people in Mount Gox, right? That thing got hacked. When was that? 2014 or something way back then? They're still fighting for their money. Yeah, you're not going to have to worry if that's your bank. Right? You're just going to be like, yeah, something happened. I staked it and it got taken. They're going to be like, here's your money back. You know, it's going to be instant. All right, guys. Bye. Let's move on. All right, so this is the serious stuff here. European Union Council drafts proposals for higher regulatory clarity for the cryptocurrency industry. So, yes, obviously, buying is what's necessary all around the world. Regulatory clarity. I've been telling you from the beginning of this channel, and so this is a little confusing. I'm not going to bullshit you. I was reading it, and I was like, what? I mean, I get what the gists are, but so let me get a sip. Maybe that'll clear my head, and we'll dive right in. Oh, yeah, and so the reason I'm reading this, so yesterday we read about the Germans and what they're trying to do, right? But that's just one country in Europe, right? In the European Union. But this is European Union-wide. This is the actual European Council. So, you know, this is the actual federal government. So if you're an American, this would be like, Joe Biden and a bunch of regulators getting together to make the federal government laws, right? Kind of thing, in a way. Sorry, well, what I'm really trying to explain to you is that that's the federal government of Europe, right? You know, Europeans always get angry. I always tell them, you're just the United States of Europe, right? Sure, you're Italy, you're France, you're Spain, but you're controlled by something called, you're controlled by something called, the European Union now. So they make laws in their own countries, but still, if the European Union makes a law, well, it applies to all of you, whether you like it or not, right? And so that's how that works. And so you're the United States of Europe. And so this is the highest level of European power, the federal system. All right, so let me get a sip and we'll proceed. So it looks like there's 2 proposals. Let's read the byline on the left, actually, a little bit. The Council of the European Union has come up with 2 proposals generally aimed at promoting investor protection and mitigating cyber threats in the cryptocurrency industry. The proposals, MICA and DORA, are pending parliamentary and council negotiations, after which they will be applied through member states throughout member states approved. So you see what I'm saying? If it's approved, all member states have to do this, right? So that's why it's the United States of Europe. When the European Council, the European Commission, the MEPs, the members of the European Parliament vote and do stuff, it applies to everybody, no matter who the fuck. They don't give a fuck if you're Italian, French, German, Portuguese, whatever. It applies to all of you, and so that's what makes this good. is that these crypto regulations will apply to all members throughout member states if this thing is approved. So this is just legislation. It's not approved yet, right? Obviously, and that's why it's the United States of Europe. Don't ever forget that, folks. Don't ever forget it. When these guys make the laws, it applies throughout all of Europe. And that's what we want. We want these guys to come up with crypto regs that applies to the whole place so that the Mastas, the hedge fund guys and the banksters from all of Europe can just jump in and just start buying our chicken. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. And that's why I'm telling you, these guys are way ahead. Right? In America, we're just still we're just having hearings. You know what I mean? I mean, there's a few proposals. I'm not going to shit all over America. Congress. Although it's easy to do, daggone. It's easy to do. I tell you that. But no. Seriously, there's stuff going through Congress, and we'll see. But there's going to be a lot of yap. Oh, yeah. There's going to be a lot of yap before we get the true stuff we need. And that's why you see in Europe, they're just, they're not yapping. They're doing. You know what I mean? They're no longer arguing, oh, is there going to be crypto, not crypto? Fuck it. Now we're getting down to details. Right? Now we're getting down to where the rubber meets the road. All right? Let's get this shit done. Let's get her done. That's how Europe's rolling, right? And so that's beautiful. That's beautiful. America, we got a lot of yap to go. Believe me. It's coming. Don't worry. It's coming. But it ain't going to be tomorrow. That's for sure. Whereas Europe here, who knows? They might just drop this chicken on us. Yeah, here, Happy New Year's, fucksticks. Bang! Crypto regs. You never know, right? All right, because they're serious. Okay, guys, so let's do this. Yeah, that's why they're way ahead of us, man. They are way ahead of any region in the world. All right. So on Wednesday, the Council of the European Union ratified 2 proposals focusing on the cryptocurrency industry. Now part of the digital finance package, so it's a whole package. Bang! The 2 aim at protecting consumers and reducing the risk of cyber threats. Of course, got to have consumer protections. So they are the regulation on market in crypto assets. That's called the MICA. And the other proposal, the other proposal is the Digital Operation Resilience Act, or called DORA. So notably, MICA, as we'll start calling it MICA from now on, MICA sets a framework for the issuance and services of transferable digital assets. The proposal primarily urges transparencies in firms' operations, which should be communicated through their white papers, and additional prospectuses. Additionally, such firms should ensure their marketing strategies are fair and clearly identifiable as advertisements. So see, they're already getting into, all right, how can you advertise it? Like, they're getting right into the guts now. They're not fucking around. The MICA proposal, however, does not apply to central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, or other tokens issued by public authorities, other governments. Also exempted are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, tokens that function like loyalty points, or those that represent physical assets or services. So those are also going to not be included in this. Importantly, the framework is said to apply to natural or legal persons and not the tech itself. Interesting. The Council identifies MICA as a framework that supports innovation and acknowledges the potential of cryptocurrency. At the same time, the proposal maintains financial stability and investor protections. Got to protect the citizens. Can't have soccer mom and dad getting ripped off. So look, the second proposal now, DORA, sets out a structure for managing risk in information and communications technology, ICT. Specifically, it instructs that all ICT systems undergo testing to avert cybercrime risks. Oh, so they're making the underlying, you gotta have your servers tight and secure. It also creates uniformity for reporting incidents threatening cybersecurity. Moreover, through this proposal, European regulators get the mandate to oversee a company's third-party ICT services providers. The Council sees DORA as a way for firms to create defenses against ICT-related disruption and threats. All right, against the hackers. So the cryptocurrency package by the European Council. Also contained in the Council's package is an overall strategy for cryptocurrency regulation and a proposal on distributed ledger technology. Bang! DLT. Daggone DLT. So the digital packages, wholesomely, unified crypto-related rules and regulations in the European Union. This fosters technological innovation and investor protection among its member states. The common directives are viewed as more applicable compared to fragmented and differing rules between EU states. Bang! That's what I've been telling you, right? It's better to have one rule, a common directive that controls the whole European Union than to have fragmented and differing rules, right? You need the federal rules. Just look, these are the rules. Everybody, this is it for everyone. These are the rules, right? If you got some rules over here by the Germans, and then you got some rules here by the French, and you got some rules by it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Look, like I told you here in America, when Binance US first came out, I live in Florida. Well, Florida, we weren't allowed to sign up for that crap. Yeah, but a whole bunch of other states were. I told you, like here in America, right? I could smoke weed proudly in California. Yeah, I dare you to go to Tennessee or Mississippi and try to smoke some weed in front of a cop. Yo, buddy, you're going to prison, son. Right? The rules are fragmented. It needs to be, one rule for everybody, the whole country. Right? What's legal over there is legal over here. What's illegal over there is all right. It's illegal over there too. Right? And so that's what they want to do, and that's what makes this so powerful. Is that this legislation is European Union wide. Once they drop it, that's the clarity. Like the clarity I keep telling you we're waiting for from Congress, because once Congress drops it, bang, that'll apply to all of us, all 50 states here in America, right? Once they do that, right, that's what we're waiting for so badly, right? Over in my Wyoming, it's crypto-friendly. Over in, Tennessee, it's not, all this bullshit. Nah, just give the full rules for the whole country. These are the rules, everybody. And that's it. Nice and easy. Everyone's playing by the same set of rules. It's all fair. Now let's go make this money. So a dedicated and harmonized framework is therefore necessary at the union level, at the highest, or as we'd say here, the federal level, to provide specific rules for cryptocurrency and related activities and services, and to clarify the applicable legal framework. Read a proposal in the package. So such harmonized framework should also cover services related to crypto assets, where these services are not yet covered by union legislation on financial services. At present, their pair of proposals await negotiations between the Council and Parliament. So they have a European Union Parliament. It's called, I think it's just called the European Parliament, isn't it? Right? The guys in them are called MEPs, members of the European Parliament. All right, whatever. So at present, the pair of proposals await the negotiations between the Council and Parliament. Once the two authorities reach provisional agreement, both will adopt regulations stated in the proposals. Bang! The EU is now among other jurisdictions seeking to provide regulatory clarity. What have I been telling you on this channel from the beginning? What have we been waiting for? Holy shit. All these fucking years. Daggone. Regulatory clarity. I mean, I've said those two words, a million times on this channel, haven't I? Well, it's beautiful to see that the European Union is going to give their citizens, and let's get real about it, their banksters and their whales, regulatory clarity to come get this chicken, to come get these cryptos. So the EU is now among jurisdictions seeking to provide regulatory clarity in the digital asset industry. But others include South Korea, the UK, Russia, and Iran. All right. Everyone's going to bring it eventually, but EU's leading the way. EU's leading the way. EU's leading the way. These guys, they understand. Look, we need to just get these regs ready for everybody. We need to just get this and unleash this now. The whole world's coming for it. Oh, yeah. The whole world's coming for this chicken. For this asset class. So, look. We better allow our boys to come get it first. See what I'm saying? They're not stupid. Not stupid. Or perhaps they're just less stupid than the rest of everybody. But whatever the case may be, Europe is going to be first. Europe is going to be first. We're going to be talking about 401ks coming out of Europe, retirement funds, everything, guys. Oh, man, Europe. You guys are lucky over there, you fucksticks. All right, Europe. I'm jealous. I'm jealous a little bit. Just a little. Maybe a little more than a little. But a bit. I'm a bit. Yes. All right, guys. European Union. Bang. Going to bring our first regulatory class. I bet you. You'll see. All right, let's move on to the last one. Bang. Morgan Stanley funds adding Bitcoin exposure. So this is what we yapped about yesterday. Actually, this was the story from Biniam yesterday. I just used his story. Just to show you, like, guys, the biggest of the big names are accumulating. You know what I mean? And that's just because they're only allowed to buy Bitcoin now. You know, what do you think it's going to be like when they're allowed to buy Chainlink? And they see that Chainlink is basically the backbone, the fucking backbone of all DeFi. Well, they're going to be accumulating like a motherfucker, won't they? Won't they? When they see that Singularity Net has a walking, talking, thinking, reasoning robot, wow, they'll be accumulating, won't they? When they see that Stellar, I mean, and they already know, believe me, they have analysts. They know what's going on around here. They know what's going on. When they see that Stellar is being used by MoneyGram, worldwide, MoneyGram said, worldwide. They made no doubt about it. They let you know. Look, we're going into distributed ledger technology, and we are going worldwide with this Stellar thing. Yeah, well, when smart money sees that, when smart money sees that sort of behavior, look, oh, yeah. Well, they'll be accumulating it, won't they? A lot of it, right? A lot of it. You know, tens of millions per purchase. You know what I'm saying? So I want you guys to get that. The only reason these big guys aren't allowed to buy this stuff, because they don't have regulatory clarity. That's what Europe is about to do. Europe is about to bring clarity, and when they do, their hedge fund masters, fuck. Let me tell you something right now. Once the European Union drops that chicken, that regulation, those laws right there, gives the full regulatory clarity, yeah, all our stuff is going to fly. Fly. Well, if it's revenue generating, because it's smart money. So I don't know about your Shibas, but your Stellars, your Singularity Nets, your Polygons, I guarantee your chain links. What else we got going on around these parts? Lots of stuff. VeChain, of course. IOTA. Anything that's working and making money, right? And that's going to last. Like, that's going to be here and is regulatorily compliant, right? Yeah, they're going to be buying it all up. Yeah, the European guys, I bet you right now, if I'm a European, if I tell you right now, if I'm a fund master, hold on, I'm going to need another cigarette even for this. I'm hyped now. If I'm a fund master in Europe right now, I'm looking at a race. Are we going to get here before the Americans? Who's going to win? Or anyone else? I mean, are the Chinese just going to jump in and unleash? Are the Indians? Because that's a kick-ass. That'd be a kick in the nuts. Because they have too much. They have too much money and too many people. That'd be a loss right there. Right? Everyone's looking at each other. All the masters around the world are all looking to their politicians to fucking serve up the chicken, the clarity, the regulatory clarity. I tell you that right now. Wouldn't you be? Right, and we're just regular people and we know that, right? Yeah, well, what do you think those guys know? Oh, they know it all. That's why they're called smart money. We're just miscreants. Smarter than most, though. But not smart like that. I know. Let's just be real about it. You know what I'm saying? We don't have an army of analysts analyzing for us, you know? And when that money comes, when that regulatory clarity out of Europe comes, fuck, dudes, we're going to start going to the moon fast. Fast. Yeah, these guys are going to be gobbling up everything. Yeah, all your Algorand, gone. All your Solana's gone. They're going to take it all. Oh, yeah, like Lorna. All of it. All of it. All of it. You know what I'm saying? They're going to be first. And, of course, you're going to buy all of it because you know, well, when the Americans finally get here, and they will, well, they're going to pile in their money. And boom, another catalyst. And if the Indians, we'll see about what the Indians are up to because they've been a shit show for 4 years now. But if they ever come online, which it sounds like they will, at least for the non-wannabe money stuff, boom, they're going to send everything going. Every country, major country, economy that comes online is going to send us higher and higher and higher, like with big moves. Whoops, I'm getting hyper. I'm smacking myself. With big moves, you'll see. You'll see. All right, let me get this. And so I want to show you, like, right? Everyone, all these banks are gobbling up what they're allowed to now, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. All around the world, Bitcoin and Ethereum are pretty much regulated, right? Here in America, they're commodities. We already know the taxes. They're taxed as capital gains, and they're regulated as commodities. So those are the only two. The only two cryptos you can buy in America. Well, if you're a master, like you and I, we can buy what we want. But like a hedge fund and all that, they're not allowed to buy anything else yet. They're not allowed to buy VeChain. You know, they'd get in trouble. You know, well, they'd get shut down. You're not allowed to do that, right? And so that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. As soon as we get regulatory clarity, man, all that to the moon crap, you'll see. It won't be to the fucking moon. You'll all be coming with me to the multiverse. We're going to go higher than the moon. We're going directly to the multiverse. I'm going to grab Hardaway and just, come on, bro. Let's bring these people to the multiverse. That's how it's going to go down. Mm-hmm. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys. Man, you're going to be rich. I mean, you're going to be rich. If you've got revenue-generating product. Yeah, dudes. You'll see. This shit's going to be great. We've been waiting and talking about it for 4 years. Don't worry, it'll come. Don't worry. When this is all over, you look back and say, boy, oh boy, this juice was, when you're sitting in your Lambo in your driveway of your mansion, smoking a big fat joint with Robbie's going to ask you, he's going to say, so, was the juice worth the squeeze? You're going to look up at your house. You're going to look at your mansion. You're going to look at your property. And say, you know what, Robbie? You were right. This juice was worth the squeeze. Bang! That's how it's going to go down. Oh, yeah, he's going to pay each and every one of you a personal visit. All right, guys, come on, man. Settle down. You're having too much fun now. All right, listen. Banking giant Morgan Stanley has revealed some of its funds added Bitcoin exposure in Q3 through the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. Oh, that's the name I couldn't remember yesterday, Grayscale, right? So in new filings with the U.S. SEC, banking giant Morgan Stanley has revealed some of its funds added Bitcoin exposure in Q3. But for the period ending September 30th, Morgan Stanley's growth portfolio fund, for example, added 1.5 million shares. Oh, shit. Of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. Similarly, its Insight Fund added nearly 600,000 shares over the period. Nice. Look. Other Morgan Stanley's funds added exposure as well, suggesting that Morgan Stanley fund managers are becoming more comfortable adding Bitcoin to their daggone right. Those Morgan Stanley fund masters, they're getting real comfy. They're getting real fucking comfy. Tell you right now. I tell you, when we get regulatory clarity, bang, they're going to be as comfy as it gets. Oh, yeah. So the SEC filings were first highlighted by the Twitter account macroscope. The release comes at a time when Morgan Stanley CEO James Gorman has been more outspoken about Bitcoin and other crypto investments, stating in October that he didn't think that crypto is a fad. The comments suggest new openness to crypto assets, though they demonstrate that Gorman is far from educated on how Bitcoin alone provides the foundation for a decentralized alternative to today's government-controlled financial. All right. So, trading on the OTCQX market since 2013, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust allows institutional and high-net-worth investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin, though there was a holding period of 12 months for the shares. Yeah, once you buy this shit, you got to hold it for 12 months. The filing is also, so that shows you, if JP Morgan is willing to buy and hodl it, well, they think it's going to go up. You're not going to hodl something if you think it's going to go down, will you? Because you have to hold it for 12 months. So they're figuring, fuck yeah, no problem. It'll probably be double the price. Right? Remember this. This time last year, Bitcoin was at around 10 grand. Right? Yeah, we're at what are we at? 54. Right? So you're thinking, wow, it definitely isn't going to go down to, it'll definitely go up within 12 months, right? That's their bet anyways. So the filing is also notable as per Barron's, the GBTC offering is struggling of late. As noted by the report, Bitcoin has outperformed the fund so far in 2021, at a time when GBTC has faced competition from new Bitcoin futures ETFs now available to institutional investors. That's the truth. That's the truth. Those grayscale funds, those are expensive. If I'm a master, I'll just get those ETFs, those futures ETFs. But anyways, I'm not a master, and so that's how it is. But bye, Morgan Stanley adding crypto, Bitcoin to their funds. And as you can see, they're buying funds with a 12-month lock-in. So they obviously think, yeah, well, in 12 months, this is going to be more than it is now. So good signs, good stuff. Just great. All right, let's get to shout-outs. Bye. Let's see what everyone's up to. Bye. Where are we going over here? Oh, yeah. Sloppy. Lover of the zebra. The bye. Holding down the insurgency in the Great White North. Canada. Toronto. All right. Oh, yeah, he's talking about some shit right here. He's been talking about this for the past couple days. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, he's been talking about this cross-chain capital. CCC and April are up. So this cross-chain capital thing, I don't know what it is. Like, he showed us a little bit. But I don't know. It sounds like you make some serious money out of it. He's had his stuff staked or whatever for, I don't know, maybe only 4 or 5 days. And he's made tons of coin from it. And then this one called April, he's loving that one too. So, and everyone's liking it. I guess it's been going up in value. So, well, you only like it if it's going up in value. So great, sloppy. Never but the zebra, the bye. Bye. There we go. KJ Gatsby pushing his portfolio up the hill. Keep pushing, brother. Juice is worth the squeeze. Never but the zebra, the bye. Technically bullish. Never but the zebra, the bye. Oh, here's everybody. There's Edwin Koval, the official and exclusive CB News mascot, and the original. Lover by the zebra, the bye. Andrew Racheta, I hope your hand is better after yesterday's beatdown you had to give for those weak hands. So we'll just keep it gentle tonight. What are you doing? Juice with squeeze, settle down. All right, Andrew, you keep telling them. Lover by the zebra, the bye. Binium. Oh, you're using your original Binium face now. Binium, lover by the zebra, the bye. Universal Misanthrope, holding down the insurgency in Central Europe, and the CB News head of security. Lover by the zebra, the bye. Lorna Allin, oh, she changed her shit. What is this? Oh, it looks like some sort of NFT. I bet she just bought that or something. All right, Lorna, as you can see, she's bought it all. Look. I hope you guys went and bought those sales yesterday. If she left, then he left. All right, Lorna, you tell him. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. I liked that performance art thing you had up there. Oh, well. Sunny Spy Lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. The Assassin. Bye. All right. Nana Kanadu Shiloh. All right. Cool, calm, and collected. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. Look. Love the zebra. Bye. Robbie Hardaway. He's been with us so long. His picture's in black and white. Lover by the zebra. Bang! All right. What else we got? Oh, look, I see the Soul Brother. Look, Deep Entertainment. Soul Brother. Love it, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Oh, new follower. Chinadum. Building engineer and agripreneur. Abiding in love, peace, justice, equity, and fairness. Pro-Biafran. Okay. All right, well, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Good concept there, guy. All right, that's everybody. Ben, who's this guy, followed me. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Oh. Reality is made up of information in the form of a language or symbolism. Wow. Actually, language and symbolism is how we relate the reality that we see. The language doesn't make the reality. If I say, well, I can fly like a bird and I jump off a 10-story building, well, reality is going to show me, no, you can't. So it's not the language that makes reality. The language just describes the reality of the situation. Shomari just jumped off a building. Now he's dead. So look, but anyways, brother, love you to see you, brother, and those sweet little kids you got there. Bang.
Oh, yeah, little cuties.
All right, Banks, love you to see you, brother. Bang. And one last one. BDM. Oh, you already got one, but all right, bang. Got a two-piece chicken because you used your other head. Your other profile picture over there. All right, let's get back to the bang. Let's get back to the Death Star. All right, everybody, welcome back. We had a great show for you today. Bang. All right. So, Estonian Bank, let's begin. Estonian Bank LHV to offer crypto trading via Bitstamp. And so, I told you about Estonia. They're known as like the super high-tech place. Yeah, that's how they're known. And so it's not surprising that their banks are offering crypto trading. But what was cool is right out of your banking app, it shows you what I like about this story is, well, first of all, that the banksters are coming. That's good. But also that just it'll show you what is possible in the future. Now you're just going to buy all this shit right off your banking app. Right? And then they're going to add more and more features. And soon you'll be staking it off there, everything, right? From an insured bank account. And so that's great. That's the future. That's the future I hope for anyways. And great stuff. I'm a little surprised that they're using Bitstamp. Maybe Bitstamp is regulated in Estonia. I don't know. But like here in America, they wouldn't allow that. You know, like, yeah, they wouldn't allow that. But I don't know, man. We'll just see how that goes down. So LHV hodlers or bank people, bang. If you bank there, bang. Good for you. Well, Estonians, I mean, bang. Good for you. Your country's headed to the future. All right. And then the EU Council proposes for regulatory clarity for crypto. And so I harped. I know you know the point now. You get the point. The European Union is eating everyone's lunch. They're just about to talk about it, vote on it, and it's about to be a thing. And so, like I said, it's going to be a beautiful thing once they unleash it. They said they're going to be friendly to the innovation. In other words, we're not going to make it too rough. Just don't mess around. Make sure there's consumer protections, and we'll let you guys do what you want. And so, kind of thing is what it looks like, right? And so, great stuff. And like I said, when they unleash their whales and their monsters on us, well, bang! You can expect instant growth. Well, not the very next day, but I mean, a couple month later, we'll start seeing massive gains. And so, great stuff. Because these guys will actually be able to buy more than just your Bitcoin and Ethereum. They'll be able to buy your VeChain, your Polygons, your Matics, your Stellars, your Singularity Nets, all of it. So this is great. All right, and there's nothing else I can say except this is great. So let's just move on. Bang! Obviously, we've been talking about regulatory clarity here since the beginning. All right, and then finally, Morgan Stanley adding to Bitcoin exposure. So there's another example, major bank. And so that's the other thing we have to remember is that we read about these major banks doing that. Well, lesser banks are also doing shit too, right? It's just that they're not being shown in the newspapers, right? Because they're nobodies, they're Bank of Los Angeles or some shit. You know what I mean? They're little banks. So, but you can see that if the major banks are doing it, well, what do you think all the little guys are doing? Same thing, but just on a way smaller scale, obviously, right? And so that's why you like these kind of stories, because it just gets you into the head of, well, these banksters, right? It shows you what they're up to, right? And so great stuff. Adding more Bitcoin. We're all waiting for the clarity. Same story, but it's getting better and better and better as we go. Estonian bank offering crypto. Bang. JP Morgan Bank buying Bitcoin. Bang. And the European Union is about to unleash full clarity. Bang. Bang. So look, on that great note, I'll leave it till tomorrow. Let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Look. The multiverse. My name's Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Bang. I love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home. And I'll see you all tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. But until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Bang. Watch that video there. Get your mind right. And I'll see you all tomorrow. My name's Shomari Clarke. Always watching the money. And look. Most importantly, I am always on duty. Bye. Yes. Love you guys. Bye. Over and out.